Did you know Google Docs can transcribe your voice in real time for free with no extra software? If you create content, take meeting notes, or dictate ideas instead of typing, this is a feature you should absolutely be using. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of Accountability Buddies and digital marketing consultant where I help small business owners optimize their digital presence. Today I'm showing you how to use the auto-transcription feature in Google Docs, also called voice typing. In a Chrome browser, go to Google Drive and open a new Google Doc. In the top menu, click Tools and then select Voice Typing. You'll see a microphone appear on the left side of your document. Before you start speaking, click the drop-down and select your language. Click the microphone icon, and when it turns red, start speaking clearly and at a natural pace.
Hi, this is Marta.
Google Docs will transcribe your voice in real time directly into the document. You can say commands like period, comma, new pair, italic. Voice typing is great, but it's not always perfect. So always review your transcript for grammar, spacing, and accuracy, especially for names and technical terms. Thanks for watching! If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and sign up for our newsletter. And I'll link more resources from Google below on best practices for voice typing so you can explore all the commands and languages supported.